per usual, I am late for work. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Krystal, and today I'm bringing you guys a video on a very peachy vibe. I did just dye my hair recently. Shout out to Chelsea, my best friend, for always taking care of my hair needs. This girl, I tell you, she's done my box braids. She's helped me out, like, strip my hair. We put some nice, like, orange, peachy, rose goldish tones today, and I absolutely love it. So special shout out to you, girl. I love you with all my heart. But today I wanted to do a video. Wow, shocker, original. But I use the Peachy and Wiley Hung palette black liner duo. There's a kohl side and a liquid side. The kohl side was a little bit hard to blend out, but the liquid side is bomb. Without further ado, here is the video. My sister's calling me. Sorry, Ashley, I love you, but I gotta call you later. I'm late for work. What time? So the first thing I'm going to use is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Rose Primer Serum. This stuff leaks, so don't put it on its side because there's a lot of leakage. Silver. I'm going to use is the Peachy Skin Treats Vitamin C Lotion. The last thing I'm going to use to prep my face is the Pop Beauty 24K Face Base Blurring Primer. This stuff makes your foundation stick really well. How do I not have a sponge? No. It's a little thick. This is the first video of 2019. Wow. 2020. So this is super exciting. Back to where I was. Foundation first, because I'm not too sure how crazy I'm gonna go on the eyes. But this is the Collab Meet Your Matte foundation in olive, and this is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter in 310. This is like a little orangey warmy for me, but I don't care. I like the finish. I always do this. I always forget to fix my nose rings before I start. See, it's a little orangey, but it's okay. I hope everybody enjoyed their New Year's. I didn't really do much. Dominic and I went to his friend's house, and I got all bougie. I had like a fur coat on, and they were all in pajamas. So I missed that fun memo. Okay. For concealer, I'm going to use the Collab No Flaws Liquid Concealer, and this is in Honey Almond. I really love this concealer. So me personally, I like the full coverage look. Not like I look crazy right now. I don't know, that's just always been me. Like, I don't always have to wear makeup. Like, I'm not one of those that's like, oh my god, I'm not gonna go out if I don't have my makeup on. Like, no, I used to be like that, I guess. But since I've gotten older, I don't really care as much, and I don't even care like what my skin looks like. But when I do get ready, I like to do the full coverage look because I don't know, I just like the way it looks. It's either you get no makeup at all or like full glam. So I've been a makeup artist for a while now, but there has been like a couple years that I haven't like practiced it, but I've been like watching different like, you know, makeup artists react to how, you know, people do their makeup and all this stuff. And I learned something new, and it just like kind of dawned on me that I just don't know why I never figured this out. as I'm doing it now, but I don't have an eye primer. But the one thing that I learned about using concealer as a primer is that it still allows your oils to come through, because eyelids are very oily. So if you ever find your makeup, your eyeshadow like not sticking throughout the day or like creasing, even though you like set it after you put the concealer on and then you put, you know, your eyeshadow and stuff, I found out that if you put an eyeshadow base down, it like blocks all the oils from surfacing. And I was like, makes total sense. Why have I never put 2 and 2 together? I just don't know. So for my contour, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow contour stick in Where's a Walnut. Okay. To set my powder, I'm going to use the Fit Me Loose powder in light medium. I love this stuff. I am going to use my Luxie 660 Precision Foundation brush. This one up. This ain't for the natural makeup hearted. It's not, girlfriend. With some bronzer. This is a really big pan of bronzer, but this is the Glamour Dolls Fakecation bronzer. I'm going to use like a super fluffy tapered brush. This is by Japanesque. I'm not 100% sure the name. I'm just going to warm up. Warm up my face. Alright, I'm going to use this Kylie pressed blush powder, and this is in Barely Legal. Oh, Kylie, I'm gonna place the blush because it has like a little bit of shimmer in it. I'm gonna place it on the apples of my cheeks and a little bit on top of my cheekbone. When I apply my bake, I go from outside in, but then when I wipe away, I go out. Okay, so then I'm going to use the Kylie Jenner Pressed Illuminating Powder in French Vanilla. Not bad. I actually like that's pretty subtle. The main palette today that we are going to use is the Pixi Wiley Hung palette. This one is so cute. This one is the Let's Talk Eyes. This is a really good like everyday palette. I'm going to use is Sista, and I'm going to use that all in my crease. The next color I'm going to be using is Balm, and I'm going to focus that probably still in my crease, warming this guy up a bit. I'm going to go a little lower on the outer corner. I'm going to hold my brush at the end so it has the least amount of pressure. It's easier to blend out. See how it just warms it up a little bit? Press and blend. Okay, and then we are going to use Potato, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid. Basically covering that eyeshadow stick. Ever since I like dyed my hair 2 days ago, I have been into just this super warm eyeshadow looks and just the light eyes. I don't know, I just love changing up my look. It's so much fun, guys. It's so much fun. I think that this one is itty bitty. Grab this color. I'm gonna put it right under the brow bone and in the inner. Oh yeah, girl. I'm gonna use this darker shade right here. I'm gonna place this close to my lash line, just to smoke that out a little bit. I'm gonna grab whatever is left over on my brush and I'm just gonna smoke out my lower lash line. One side has the felt tip liner and the other side has the kohl liner. I'm such a sucker for kohl liners, but let's see. You know what, I am gonna use the kohl liner today because I just want to smoke out my lash line a little bit more. It's got a nice pointed tip. Okay, this kohl liner doesn't really want... Yep, it broke off. Okay. There we go. Alright, and I'm going to smoke it out with the warmth of my finger. Okay, this kohl liner is a little hard to blend out. But I'm just wondering if it's because maybe it's... I don't think it's old. I don't know. So I'm going to go back in with what I'm going to assume is balm, and I'm gonna place that over top just to get rid of any like harsh lines if there are any. So I am just gonna apply some mascara. This is the Great Lash Maybelline mascara, nothing cray cray. And then for lashes, I'm going to do this off camera because my camera is dying and I want to save the battery as much as possible. But this is the Kiss Lashes in Flirty, and I am going to use these two, or these four left, and I'm going to double them up so we get a real nice pop-in glam look. Okay, last but not least, we are going to do lips, and today we are going to be using, do I want to use Poppy Pout? So we're going to use the Pop Beauty Permanent Pout lipsticks, or liquid lipsticks. And the first thing I'm going to do is use the Poppy Pout. This is really, really bright orange. But I'm going to be putting another one on top of it. We are going for some peachy vibes, so... Told you, super orange. It's okay. I'm gonna soften it up. The next color I'm going to use wherever I put it down. Why do I lose everything that I touch? Oh my god, it's literally right in front of me, standing up. Jeez. The one I'm gonna put on top of it is Butter Babe. Soften this orange a little bit. I'm going to add a touch of lip gloss because this is really bright for me. But this is the Tarteist Lip Paint from the Lily Pons collection. Okay. The felt tip on this baby works really freaking good. Goodness. Much better. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Time to kill, sip life from bottles, tight skin bodyguards, Gucci down the boulevard, cocaine dollar bills, and my happy little pill.